Morning children, how are you? I remember the previous class. What we are discussing? Addition of 5-digit numbers, subtracting 5-digit numbers and estimate sum and differences. Are you remember? Okay, how you find the estimated sum? First what you want to do? Rounding off. Are you remember how to rounding off? Okay. Today we will do different types of problems. Some problems are there. In word problem you have confusion how to do the addition. In which problem is addition, in which problem is subtraction. That like confusion is there. Today we are discussing solving multi-steps problems. Solving multi-steps problems. Multi-steps problem. Okay. Multi-steps problem. Okay. Ram's monthly salary is 20,000. Ram's monthly salary. He got 20,000 for his monthly salary. Ram's monthly salary is 20,000. Then he spent 5,000 for his food. He spent 5,000 for his food and 700 for his transport. 700 for his transport. Ram's monthly salary is 20,000. He spent 5,000 for his food and 700 for his transport. Then how much money he left with? How you get? Here which operation we are doing? Addition, subtraction. So we will check it. Here already 20,000 is there. It's a word problem. So how we write? Ram's monthly salary. How much rupees for Ram's monthly salary? 20,000. Then he spent for food. Spent for food is 5,000. He spent for food is 5,000. Then how much money remain with him? 20,000 minus 5,000. What is the how you get? 20,000 and minus 5,000. How you write? Then which method you can follow? Follow it. Okay. Place values or column method. Any method you can follow. But this is very easy. From the right side onwards you write down 0, 0, 0, 0, 2. 20,000. And from this 5,000, 1's place 0, 10's place 0, 100 place 0, then 1,000 place 5. Then minus. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. Then 0 minus 5 is possible? No. Then what we do? We are borrowing 1 from the next place. From here 2. We are taking 1 from 2. Here 1 is remaining. We are taking 1 from 2. We will get 1. Then this 1 going to this side is become 10. This 1 going to this side is become 10. 10 minus 5. 5. Then 1. How much rupees you have? 15,000. Then again he spent for 700 rupees for his transport. Then again we want to minus this 700 from the 15,000. Then we will do 15,000 minus 700, 0, 0, taking 1 from here, it's become 4, 10, 10 minus 7, 3, 4, 1, 14,300. How many steps we are doing? First we are taking, subtract the food amount from the salary. Then again the remaining salary we will subtract 700 for his transport. Long steps are there. Then we will reduce the steps. Are you ready? Then I will show you. Here his salary is 20,000. How much rupees for his salary? 20,000. Then he spent money for transport and food. So spending is there. So how much money for food? 5,000. How much money for transport? 700. Okay, he's spending how much money he spent for transport and food? How you get adding? We are adding these two numbers. 0, 0, 0 plus 7, 7. Okay, here addition is there. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 7, 7, 5. Here there is no number, so 5. 5,700. This amount he spent for food and transport. This amount we are subtracting from his salary. We will get the remaining amount. So we will check it. 20,000 minus 5,700. 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 7 is possible? No. We are taking 1 from here. Here there is no number. So what we do? We are taking 1 from this side. From this 2, we will take 1. Here 1 is remaining. And 1 to take this place, this become 10. We are taking 1, 2. 1 from this 10. This 10 become 9. Here 1, 10. 10 minus 7, 3. 9 minus 5, 4, 1. What is the answer? 14,300. That also we will got it. Okay. So this like problem we are doing first addition, then subtraction. Okay. The next problem in your textbook, one problem is that we will do. There are 15,234 there were 15,234 animals in the forest. There were 15,234 animals in the forest. 10,607 animals were wild animals. 10,607 animals were wild animals. How many other animals were there? What operation we are doing here? Here total 15,234. Then 10,607 animals are wild animals. Then how you get the other animals? Subtraction or addition? Yes, subtraction. 4 minus 7 is possible? No, we are taking 1 from here. This 3, we are taking 1 from 3, it's become 2. 14. 14 minus 7, 7. 2 minus 0, 2. Then 2 minus 6 is possible? No, we are want to take from here. Take 1 from the 5. This 5 become 4. This 2 become 12. 12 minus 6, 6. Then 4 minus 0, 4. 1 minus 1, 0. So 4,627 animals are not a wild animal. Okay. 4,627 Animals were not wild. Okay. Then second question. A stadium has 12,567 seats on one side. In one side is 12,567 seats. And 10,098 seats on other. One side is 12,567. Second side 10,098. Okay. If 10,000 seats are vacant. If 10,000 seats are vacant. Altogether, how many seats are occupied? Okay. Total in one side is, okay, in this question, I will explain this question. One side, in a stadium, one side is 12,567 seats. Second side, other side, 10,098 seats are there. But in both sides, total 10,000 seats are vacant. Then question is, how many seats occupied? How you get? First we want to find the total number of seats. How we get total number of seats? We are adding this to number of seats. First side and second side. Then 12,567 plus 10,098. 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8. What is the value of 7 plus 8? Yes, 15. We are writing 5 here. 1 is carried. Then 6 plus 9. What is the value of 6 plus 9? 15. 15. We are writing 5 here. No, 1 carry is there. In 15 plus 1. What is the value of 15 plus 1? Very good. 16. Then 1 carry. Then in this place 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0. What is the value of 5 plus 0? 0. No, 5. 5. We are writing 5 here. No, 1 carry is there. 5 plus 1, 6. Then here carry is there? No. Then 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0, 2. Very good. Then 1 plus 1, 2. Then total number of seats is 22,665. Then we want to find how many seats are occupied. So vacant, number of vacant seats is given. So we are total number of seats is 22,665. Then vacant seats are 10,000. So we are subtracting 22,625 minus 10. We are subtracting 10,000 from the 22,665. We will get the occupied seat. We will check it. 22,665 minus 10,000. Okay. 5 minus 0, 5. 6 minus 0, 6. 6 minus 0, 6. 2 minus 0, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Then how many seats are occupied? 12,665. 12,665 seats are occupied. Got it? Then today we are discussing solving multi-steps problem. Some questions have addition, both addition and subtraction operations are there. That like problem how we are doing. First problem we are doing Ram's salary. He got 20,000 from his salary. He spent 500 for his food, 700 for his transport. 5,000 for his food and 700 for his transport. Then how you get the remaining salary? Okay, second question, the number of animals. Total number of animals is given 15,234. Then 10,607 animals are wild. We want to find other animals, not a wild animals. How many number of not wild animals? Okay, then third problem, what we are discussing. In a stadium, one side is 12,567 seats, other side 10,098 seats. Then total 10,000 seats are vacant. Then how many seats are occupied? How you get? We want to find the total number of seats. How you get? First side and second side seats we are adding. Then we will subtract 10,000. 10,000 is the vacant seat. Okay, got it? Are you ready to do more problem? Do you understand this? Okay, if you have any doubt for anyone have doubt for this problems, it's like problem multi-steps solving. Anyone have problem, you are just call me. Okay, thank you.